Welcome to Edapt. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can study abroad and work at the same time legally. The main question here is whether or not you're legally allowed to work while studying abroad in the country that you're choosing. The last thing that you want to do is break any laws of the country that you're a guest in. This differs from country to country and nationality to nationality, and your best bet would be to see the rules and regulations of your student visa. Well, here are some ways to find out if you are qualified to be working while studying abroad. So without any further delay, let's just quickly get started with the video. Number 1, make sure you have the right type of visa. Depending upon the type of your visa, you will be able to determine if you are allowed to study and work abroad at the same time. And here's how you do that. Talk to the embassy or the consulate. Call up the embassy and the consulate of the country that you're going to well ahead of time, maybe even several months in advance. This will help you determine whether you can study and work at the same time in the country that you're going to. And you will also be able to understand what kind of visa do you actually need for that. The next way is to contact the school. Another source of information to know if you can study and earn at the same time in the country that you're going to is the school that you will be attending. Just like the embassy, do reach out to them well ahead of time to discuss your options. Additionally, your program advisor at your home university or your study abroad provider will be able to answer the questions about legal employment. If the reason to earn and study abroad at the same time is to pay off your tuition fees, then your school might have some financial aid options for you. Number 2, choose countries that offer more than just a student visa. If you haven't decided on the program or the destination yet, then you need to look out for countries that offer the following visas. Working holiday visa. This is a visa that helps you earn and work in abroad, depending upon your nationality. A student visa tends to have more restrictions than the working holiday visa. So ask the embassy or the schools involved if this could be an option for you. Another visa is a student visa with permission to work. Depending on the country that you're choosing, you can enter and live there under a student visa with permission to work. However, as previously mentioned, there are more restrictions. As you can see, a student visa can be quite restrictive for you if you want to earn and study abroad at the same time. So make sure you have your bases covered as soon as possible. Number 3, explore work to study options. If dealing with a lot of legal paperwork is very overwhelming for you, do explore work to study or study and work options which are specifically designed for students who want to earn and study abroad at the same time. If your specialty of study is teaching, hospitality or medicine, for example, many courses will teach you the skills that you need as well as provide guidance to navigate employment in that respective country. For example, you can live in New Zealand while learning how to be a paid ski instructor, or if your specialty of study is in hospitality, you can work for a resort in Canada. So these are a few things you should know before moving abroad to actually know if you can earn and study in abroad at the same time legally. Want to learn more? You can get assistance from Edapt. We would be pleased to help you. Download the app now. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.